So this is my second bike check. Okay, I'll start off with my front end. I got Odyssey long neck bars, S&M Race XLT bars, 28-inch wide. Got Demolition stem, Eastern bearings, Odyssey CS2 Raceworks, Shadow Stun front rim with a Raptor hub.
That scared me. That scared me.
I got a Sabrosa Pandora V2 frame.
That scared me.
I got Shadow Conspiracy V2 half-link chain with a Medusa sprocket and Odyssey Twombo cranks. On this side I have an Odyssey PC pedal, and on this side I got Animal pedal. I broke the other one, so I have the Odyssey on this side. My bottom bracket's Odyssey. My seat is Rogue Status V2, and seat post is Kink Super Stump. Back wheel is Odyssey Hazard Light with Odyssey hub, 10-tooth driver. It's pretty loud. And
Not Odyssey hub,
the valve cap.
Eastern Director.
And that's my bike. It's pretty light. Weighs about 22, 23 pounds.
Or more. That's it, Eastern
That's
bar.
it.